Hi guys! In 3 minutes, I will show you this mouth-watering dish that is so healthy and yummy. It is baked salmon, the Asian style. Let's do it. I love onions of all kinds, so here I harvest a bunch of green onions because I love the sweetness, the color, and aroma of it when it's cooked. I also have a very large onion. I told you I love onions, so cut it into half an inch thick. Also cut your green onions. Yes, a lot of onions. And yes, I cried a lot too. In a large baking pan, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Even it out. Shake some garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper. Drizzle some sesame oil. I added my fish skin down. Do the same routine for the top. Add my sweet onion. Drizzle some sesame oil. Even it out. Bake it for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then turn it on to broil for 5 minutes. In the meantime, add about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into the pan, high heat. Then when it's hot, add your green onions. It smells so good in here, I tell you. Kick it around for about a minute or so. When it's all wilted and green, set it aside. The top is crusted and ready. I added my green onion and sprinkle some roasted cashew nuts on top. I wish you can smell this. This is so beautiful and smells delicious. There you have it. I hope you give it a try. This is what happened to it. It fed 6 adults and 3 kids. This is how I roll. I use a lot of mint and veggies. A cuke, a long Asian cuke, fresh from the garden. Cut it into 6 inches long or so. This is how we roll. Wet the rice paper. Look at the salmon. Add to your rolls some mint and cukes and roll it up like so. Have it with some sweet fish sauce. I really hope you give this very easy, healthy fish recipe a try. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to share with the people who love fish. I tell you, you have got to try this. This is so yummy. I will see you in the next video soon, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.